Hello friends, welcome back to another new video. In this video, we are going to talk about a problem in Roblox. If you are trying to join a group or a private server and you get error code 541, then how can you solve this problem? Also, why are you seeing this error at the current time? Make sure to watch the video till the end. If you find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to channel. So friends, to fix this problem, the first thing you need to do, turn on airplane mode or flight mode on your phone and turn it off again. After that, restart your phone by switching it off and then on. Next, go to the Play Store, search for Roblox and check if there is any available update. If an update is available, install it. If the problem still continues after updating, then clear the Roblox app's cache and data. If the issue is still not fixed, then you should check whether if the graph is showing a high spike, it means the Roblox server are currently down. In that case, you just need to wait for some time and try again later. Your problem should be fixed automatically after the server back online.